Okay. Channel complete the brand new update. I don't know about the next one. But whole massive update. So pretty sure they added a new skin. But they added the duck. See? A duck. My Wi-Fi. I'm gonna crash out. Whoopsie whoopity. What can I like? Let's see. Kaboom! Put him to sleep. Bam! Okay. I like doing this to kill monsters. Okay, but there's also a new item, like, but I'm pretty sure it is a weapon, and I have it. There's another version of it. Oh god, but they also, they played Fortnite before. They're basically the shark. So I'm trying to kill monsters with it. If I can't kill it, I'm gonna whip out my massive grenade. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna choose grenades. Okay. So I'd rather. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! So, ha ha ha. Jokes on you guys. I played zombies before. So this was die. Yeah. Bro. I'm gonna go to her. Ouchies. They can hit me, but I can't hit them. No, I'm gonna go on public service. Watch me. I'm gonna absolutely dominate. Love it when you walk.
Okay, bear. Okay.
Every time I run out,
Give me that. That was my box. No, my butt caps.
What the heck? Oh, right here. My friends. Like,
wait, can I get a box? Yo, can I get a box?
No, never.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna give
Yo,
you.
bro, I need a box.
Thank you, because these are my box. I own these.
I pray.
Because I'm a moderator. Skibidi toilet!
But I do got the Twilight one.
Guys, I need zombies. You own it? Thanks. I'll save it for you. I'll save it. Cover
Hey, it's the guy with the mace.
Not a maze.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, you can
No,
put
he
the
Hey, I got the mace. No, bro. No.
Oh, you want it? Thanks.
Alright, here it is.
Get to it. I just want to turn
I'm gonna go hunting for the crates.
What are you doing? Wow.
I'm always trying to find new crates. He left, bro. Ow, bro. That hurt. Yo, hell no, bro. I'm out of here. What the hell? Oh, hell no. Sorry. If you don't. Oh, what the hell? Heal, no. Heal, no. Hey, I'm sorry. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, heal, no. What the hell?
You can't kill them from safe zone.
Yeah, bro, that's exactly what I'm not gonna do.
I'm the professional, guys.
No, you're not.
But you just need a boom boom then. You don't need
You're
a
not.
Everyone.
Oh, so easy.
You wait, can somebody give me a crate, bro? But we have so much ammo. Put the beam. Put the. Oh wait, no, I'm pro. Watch me. I'm gonna juke him into a landmine. Let me know what. Yeah, wait.
Guys,
Baby,
I'm
it's
poor.
time.
I can't get weapons.
Oh! Ba-pow! Oh shit! Let me know you what. That way, baby. You
Mine.
Oh, yeah.
Here, wait, I got one. I'm gonna put this in the stash.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm gonna open them after the video. Or I should dupe them after the video.
Aw, that's so kind. Thanks. Here, you can have it.
Wait, you know why not touch my crate, bro?
Guys, so
Let's go.
I need
Yummy.
money. Or weapons at least.
Money.
Where are the zombies?
Do it, I need that crate. Thank you.
Okay, so what does this do?
Bro, how did I die?
Zombie game mode, you know.
Oh.
How do I get out?
Quick, ready?
Oh, baby,
How do I get out of the
teach you what
mud?
to do when it loads.
Okay.
Hey, yo, I'm whipping out the big fire.
Okay.
Getting rush right? I'm about to
Totally not
bro.
nuke.
What the heck, bro?
Totally not nuke.
Ooh, zombie me.
This one has been. Oh my god! Let me know what.
Kill him. Call the chief.
Wait, please let me get that crate. Thank you, bro. Oh, I already know the crate.
Killed him.
This one.
Here. Someone. Here. Here.
Wait, what happened to Animal Company?
Give me.
This is like... I don't like this. I'm getting it.
So,
Oh, a revolver.
yeah, these make no sense. Those are waste. Trying to shoot them.
Give me that revolver.
Go on, turn. Bro, I need to go to a new one.
Fork knife. Fork knife.
Fortnite.
It is. Gotta believe it, bro.
Oh my god, I got a
Join the
shot.
code E3E. Join the code E3E right now. Join the code E3E for now.
Yeah, bro, you can see all the galaxy on it.
I've already been at 42 modded servers today, guys.
Wait, what's the code? What's the code?
Twilight Hammer can go.
What's the code,
Can
Mr.
go.
Sauce?
Those have-
Giving out one of the new unreleased items. Let's see, where is it?
Unreleased
item? It's a different unreleased item. It's not the... That's not the...
That's not unreleased. You can get them from crates.
Yeah, no. Yeah, yes you can. I got that from a crate.
What's the code?
I'm sure you got that from a crate when I was
What's
in
the
March.
code?
Those are not unreleased,
The
bro.
guy that's
Actually, I'll show you guys.
Guys, who wants one of
Guys,
these?
y'all want to see my broccoli? Y'all want to see my broccoli? Look at my
Guys, who
broccoli.
wants these?
I already have one.
Yeah, twin. I had the pink one. I don't know where it went.
Bro, I have both.
Thank you, people, for donating.
What?
Both modded.
60,000.
Yo, guys.
I got both modded.
Stapler.
Got the big one?
Yo, you know
Yo,
this crate
yo,
tastes like
you know what you do?
blueberries?
Hold on, let me staple that.
My friend has a VPN.
And I'm not letting you
That's
do
what
it.
everyone says, and they scam. That happened to me twice.
I can do my stuff first.
No, bro, I'm not letting you get one.
To the donation button.
Bro, just
Click
keep
your
them. Don't
helpful-
trust anybody.
Guys, who
Yeah,
wants
no,
a
I'm not
stapler?
trusting anybody, bro. This whole game is just scamming.
Yo, guys, who wants a stapler?
Okay, sorry for the Wi-Fi. I would do a video unboxing crates and stuff. Cause I had things to do. It would not ban me. But yeah, I was going to make a video on the ODMs and this, like this thingy. And God. And this. Woo! But yeah, that's the zombies up there. Shooting items. Shooting things you can buy. And some loot crates. But do they look the same? Or not good? Oh, they're just normal crates. Anyways, that's all for today. Yeah, they got this. Bye. Bye bye. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'm gonna come to your house when